Okay, so in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to use the OCA test sets on the Quizlet platform within the browser. So as you can see, here is the sample question. Scroll through there and here are the answers. You choose the answer of your choice and then you simply flick over the card to see if your choice is correct. So here we are, A is correct, and as you can see also the rich formatting of the answer, highlighting the various aspects of the code that are important and going through in fine detail to explain the answer. You flick it back over again and so forth, and then you make the choice as to whether you got the right answer or not, and then you progress on to the next question and you flick over again, and basically that's how you progress with using these online test sets, and so on and so forth. Now, one of the other aspects of this platform is the ability to show you your metrics in terms of how much you're progressing with the course. And as you can see, I have 50 cards remaining. I'm familiar with 3 and there's 17 I know quite well. So you can see in real time how much you're progressing with your course. And that's quite good as well as a motivating factor. So that's the end of this video tutorial, and thank you for watching.